Line Science Action! Science China is back and we are back at it, baby! Hey, this is Wattsan and my name is Anli and I'm inviting you to meet up in Shanghai. That's going to be a big event where 2,000 brands will gather on one roof to share the methods of manufacturing various types of science. And that's your chance to experience all the innovations firsthand. From September 19th to September 21st, you will have a chance to see 7 machines at one place at work. And one of them is going to be a brand new model that we will present for the first time. At Science China 2024, we will showcase CNC rotor M333D5, CNC rotor A1 6090, ultraviolet laser marker UVTT, fiber marker FLTT 50 watt Ricos, FLTT with a GPT M7 MOPA 30 watt laser source, 5-in-1 welding machine from the new line, and a metal cutter 5038. To read more about each model, click the link in the description on the pinned comment. And don't forget to claim your ticket. We will be there at Hall W3, booth C38. This is Wattsan. My name is Anli. Join our growing community of CNC enthusiasts and business owners at this event. See you!